How to apply beard filter in FaceApp. First of all, open FaceApp on your device. Once the app is ready, take a new photo or select one from your gallery by tapping the camera or photo icon. After your photo loads, scroll through the filter options at the bottom until you find the beards category. Tap on the beard filter to view various beard styles like full beard, hipster, shaved, lion, and more. Select the beard style you want to apply, and FaceApp will automatically add it to your photo. You can try multiple styles to find the one that suits your best before saving. Some beard styles may require a pro subscription, but many options are free to use. Once you are happy with the beard look, tap the save icon at the top right corner to save your edited photo to your gallery. Now you know how to apply beard filter in FaceApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.